Okay. Hello again, everybody. Again, we're going to do another volume integral lesson here, and okay, this again we're finding the volume of solids generated by regions rotated around an axis. So we're rotating the region bounded by y equals x squared, y equals 4. That's the region where the green little infinitesimal rectangle is, and we're rotating that about y equals 4 this time. So that's still a horizontal axis, so we still integrate with respect to x. Now the thickness of this little rectangle, I didn't really label it, is dx. So just keep that in mind. That infinitesimal thickness is what we call dx. And perhaps maybe I should go ahead and label. So the thickness is dx, and the height is 4 subtract x squared. Because we do, let me make sure I'm in view here. Because we do, this is 4, and then this height, and this will be x squared. So we subtract. Now don't forget that this is a parabola, so don't forget both sides. You got to come to the left side. It's easy to forget that left side. So we've got that, and that's a 4. Let me zoom in. That's 4 minus x squared. That stuff I just wrote. That's 4 minus x squared, and that's dx. That's hard to read from here. I'm sorry about that. Now, I need to throw that green marker away. Okay, so now if we rotate about y equals 4, we get something that looks sort of like this, a pill in a way. Now, I tried to draw a green cross section, an infinitesimal cross section, but I do a better job down here. The thickness is dx, and the radius is 4 minus x squared. Well, again, because the radius is determined by the tallness of that rectangle, 4 minus x squared. So the dv is pi 4 minus x squared quantity squared dx. And so again, to get the volume, we just integrate over the dv's along our x limits, which our x limits are from -2 to 2 because we go left. So the volume is v equals integral dv -2 to 2. And you got pi, you can bring pi out, but you got pi times quantity squared dx. And you wind up getting 5, I'm not going to go through the steps, but you get 512 pi over 15. Now, I just want you to see how to get this thing set up. That's the hard part in my opinion. So again, we have that, and I can't preach or emphasize enough. You've got to attach, one side of your infinitesimal rectangle to the axis about which you're rotating. Please do that. Notice here that our rectangle didn't go anywhere outside, so there was no garbage volume to subtract off. All the volume we had was good volume. The reason 4 minus x squared is our height, and so we just simply had just that. That was our simple radius. We didn't have to subtract off any garbage volume like I did in my other video, in one of my other videos, because there was no. Now, if your rectangle has to pass through some white space to get to your region, that's when you subtract off garbage volume. But that didn't happen here, which makes it convenient on us. Again, thanks, and if you could just donate a dime to the cause, I'd appreciate it. You don't have to. I hope you enjoy the videos just the same. My address is on one of the other videos, the real short one. Anyway, guys and girls, thank you, and I hope this helps, and good day.